So this new trader friend, guy I've been talking with a little bit back and forth over the last few months. Um, I went ahead and put up the website. I talked to him a little bit more. Um, I'm very, very close for this thing going ready to go. This trading website, learn how to trade like a pro. Essentially it's his videos, but I'm going to run the website, control everything there, set up everything to work properly, and I want to get it going pretty quick, actually, for obviously reasons for all of us, actually. But while I was talking to you guys doing the live stream till 2 a.m. Saturday night, I didn't have my Skype open, even online. But, in Skype, you can still send a message to somebody, and then when they log in, they'll get the message. So he texted me today. Matter of fact, during the Three Amigos chat, today's Sunday, and I just ended it a little while ago, the Three Amigos. He texted me, hey, earlier, did you get my message? And I'm like, no, where? He's like, Skype. I was like, oh, let me go check it. No. So he was clarifying a few things last night during my live stream, but I wasn't online Skype to even see it. So I never got the messages, or else I would have just relayed it right to you guys during the live stream. So he has a few tips, free of charge, that he threw. Talking about Bitcoin and going above 11,500, it should be a breeze to 13,000. Bitcoin Cash falls major first 2 weeks of January. This is what his charting is telling him. Again, if he gets something wrong, nobody's perfect. I'm just gonna say that because I see so many people act like if someone's even psychic, they have to know everything. They can't do anything wrong. Edgar Cayce, the most powerful prophet of modern history, didn't have 100% accuracy rating. He didn't. Right? What about the one we talked about, the lady Baba Vanga? The 44th president will be a black man, and he'll be the last one before, all hell breaks loose, and there won't be another president like that after that, or after that. We do have a 45th president, and some say he's orange, white, whatever. Right? So nobody's perfect. So God forbid if a guy who's not psychic, but is a freaking expert trader, doesn't get every single thing they say right. I'm saying that now so that when we do look at some of the stuff he says, first of all, if he gets it all right, oh my God. If he gets everything right, oh my God, because everyone's going to be knocking my doors and his doors down to get on there. And if there's going to be limited space on those training videos, which again, my IT mind is how can I allow more to come in without getting crazy email help, Q&A, like, whoa, to where it makes sense, where it's manageable. And there'll be something for me to deal with. But anyways, we're about to see what he thinks on some stuff. Okay, so again, Bitcoin above 11,500, it should go right to 13,000, no problem. Like soon, really soon. He says he uses 7 different exchanges, FYI. He trades on 7 different exchanges. By the way, you have 2 to 3 years. He's talking to everybody. You have 2 to 3 years to make a ton. And then strap both seatbelts on because you haven't seen anything yet. And he says, I'm watching. Again, I wasn't able to view these because I was doing the live stream and my Skype wasn't even on. So he says, I'm watching. So that's why he's answering. As I'm talking, he's throwing me stuff. I wish I had my damn Skype on. I would have been able to tell you immediately live on Saturday night, but that's why I'm doing this video. I'm watching. Yes, we are in IOTA from 52 cents. Took profits at $1.44. 6 days ago was a great trade, 19-day trade. Bitcoin's going to fly above 11,200. Now, he just said that last night at 2:07 a.m. Now, not to say couldn't have seen that coming, you know what I mean? But I saw today it touching 11,779. So it's going to fly above 11,245, he says. This exact moment in time, it's $11,374. Again, this is the 3rd of December, almost 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Anyways, get some rest, he tells me. As stated above, 11,245, it's going to move Bitcoin. By the way, EOS hit $4.40 yesterday on Binance chart. Not sure why it's not on market cap, but nevertheless, I think there is one more push up coming. Let's see if we get it on Stratus or Strat. Because remember, I was saying $2, and I said it was maybe a little above $2. I didn't know the exact price. He says his call on Stratus was $2.81, not $2. He just went back and looked. He said just to verify. Also, you may remember I mentioned ticks as the play I put out to the people, but hold on. No, never mind. I'm not gonna say his numbers, but my portfolio just went up such and such since I went to bed last night. He emailed. Now that was this morning at 7:47 a.m. I can only dream of my portfolio moving what he just posted in one night. Just gonna say that. Yeah. He was talking about this other guy. He may have Skype with me. Me and him and this other guy might Skype. It's like a private thing. And he says he'll tell you all about how his portfolio went up in the past 3 months. I told him to get in at Neo at $8. One of his biggest moves with me, up to $56. And then he called it get out. Neo's been hovering around $30-something, right? For a while now. So again, he's calling when to get in, when to get out. Ant shares, whatever, back when it was Ant shares, whatever, $4 to $14. Next stop, Litecoin, he says. $1.25, not $1, excuse me, $125 to $130 soon. He's talking about like the progression now. He says Bitcoin futures, CME, it's a done deal. Bitcoin ETF, it'll be coming. Bitcoin accepted by the likes of Fidelity, coming. Bitcoin bought up by governments, coming. Bitcoin price, $100,000, coming up. XLM is another one we got last week, up 100%. We'll show you the trade when we talk. I haven't talked to him since this. We'll show you the trade when we talk. Also, pro tip from him to you all, through me, I'm going to give it to you. Civic coin. Let me put up a chart or pull up the screen. Final parting gift from this new trader guy, who's probably going to be a lot of y'all's best friend here shortly. It's 33 cents, okay? That's right now. So his charting is telling him 29 cents buy. Also Civic, go in at, or excuse me. I'm not sure what he's saying. Let me back up just in case. All he says is also Civic in at 29 cents this week. I need to look at the chart because I'm not sure if he's telling me he made the call to get in at 29 cents and now he's sitting on it and here it is 33 cents. Or is he telling us it's about to happen. So let's see. 30, 29, 30 cents, 29 right there. So that would have been Thursday, November the 30th. 29 cents right there. So what I'm not sure is if it's coming back down. It already hit a peak up here of 37 cents. So maybe I'm going to pause this real quick, see if I can throw him a text message. A text message to just clarify. Are you saying you already got in? That was your call? Or are you telling me basically to tell the people it's coming back down to 29 cents, get in? Let me find out. Stand by. All right, so I was actually just talking to him. We went ahead and made a Skype call. He said forget Civic. Yeah, there's some room. There's a little call, but it's nothing to even write home about. Don't even bother wasting your time telling them about that one. Focus on Bitcoin Cash. It is going down in price between week 1 and week 2 of January, he thinks. He even gave me the reason, but I'm not at liberty to say why. Bottom line is, he knows why. He made some great calls, and he thinks he's about to make another great one. He said, I told him, I'm like, I'm doing a video. I saw you were sending me messages on Skype, and I didn't have Skype on, so he's like, oh yeah, the Civic thing, don't even mention it. Tell them about Bitcoin Cash. It's gonna take a beating. Load up on it when it takes the beating, friends. So that's his pro tip. We'll see what happens. Gotta run.